welcome students. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Kashmala Ashraf and today we are going to talk about writing skills. So, writing is one of the most important communication skills in academic, professional and organizational contexts. In technical and business writing environments, writing is not only a way of expressing ideas but also a tool for decision making, documentation and professional interaction. Engineers, managers, researchers and administrators and professionals in many other fields rely on effective writing to communicate information clearly and efficiently. Unlike creative writing, technical and business writing focuses on your clarity, precision and usefulness of the information. So, the reports, email, proposals, manuals and memoirs must convey information in a way that reader can quickly understand and act upon. Therefore, developing a strong writing skill is essential for anyone who wants to succeed in a professional environment. So, in this lecture, I will discuss the importance of writing skills, the main elements of effective writing, particularly in the context of your technical and business communication. So, let's start with the importance of writing skills. So, beginning with the importance, writing skills are very essential in your professional life because they help individuals communicate your ideas clearly and professionally. In the field of business and technical writing, written communication is often the primary method of sharing information. There are some important points that I am going to discuss so that you can know why writing skills are very important. It helps you, the first one is, it helps you to clear your communication and clear communication will lead to clear information. One of the main purpose of writing is to communicate ideas and information. In technical and business settings, information must be presented clearly so that the reader can easily understand it. Poorly written documents may lead to confusions, mistakes and misunderstandings. For example, a technical report explaining how to operate a machine must be clear and precise. If the instructions are unclear, it may cause errors or even accidents. Therefore, good writing ensures that the message is accurately understood. Now, what's the second point why it is important? It helps you to maintain your professional image. Writing reflects a person's professionalism. Well-written documents show that the writer is organized, knowledgeable and careful about their works. On the other hand, documents with grammar mistakes, unclear sentences or poor structures may create a negative impression. In business communication, emails, reports and proposals represent both the writers and the organizations. Effective writers therefore contribute to a stronger professional reputation. Now, let's focus or go to the third point. It helps you to record keeping and documentation. You know, in business and technical fields, written communication provides a permanent record of information. Reports, project documents, meeting minutes and contracts serve as official record that can be referred to later. These written records help organization track progress, evaluate performance and make informed decisions. So, we can say that without proper writing, important information may be lost or misunderstood. Now, let's move to the fourth point. It helps you to support your decision making. Managers and professionals often rely on written reports and analyze to make your decisions. Technical documents may represent research results, financial data, or project updates. Clear writing allows decision makers to quickly understand the information and choose the best course of action. For example, a business proposal must clearly explain the benefits, cost, outcomes of a project so that the managers can decide whether to improve or approve it. Now, let's move to the fifth point, enhancing the collaboration. In many organizations, people work in teams. Writing helps team members share information and coordinate their work. Emails, memoirs, project plans and your progress reports help ensure that everyone understands their responsibilities. Effective writing therefore improves teamwork and organizational efficiency. So that is why writing skills or good writing skills are that important. Now let's move towards the elements of effective writing. Effective technical and business writing is based on several key elements. These elements help ensure that the message is clear, organized and useful for the reader. Some of these elements include, the first one is clarity. Clarity is the most important element of technical and business writing. The purpose of writing is to make ideas understandable. Therefore, sentences should be simple, direct and easy to read. Writers should avoid unnecessary jargon, complex sentences and vague expressions. Instead, they use precise language and explain technical terms when necessary. For example, instead of writing the implementation of operational procedure should be undertaken in the manner of that ensure optimal functionality. It is clear to write, follow the procedure carefully to ensure the system works properly. So, in this way you can write a clear message which will allow the reader to quickly grasp the meaning without confusion. Now, the second point is conciseness. Conciseness means expressing ideas in as few words as necessary. Without losing meaning. In a business and technical communication, readers often have limited time. Therefore, writing should be brief and to the point. If you are writing long sentences, then it will lose all the purpose that it has. Unnecessary words, repetition and irrelevant details should be avoided. Concise writing helps reader focus on the main message. For example, wordly sentence. The meeting that will be held tomorrow will discuss the issue regarding the delay in the project. You can also write a concise message instead of writing this long sentence, which is tomorrow's meeting will be discussed in the project delay. Conciseness improves readability and efficiency in the communication. Now, the third element is accuracy. Accuracy is extremely important in technical and business writing. Information such as data, statistics, instructions and technical details must be correct and reliable. Inaccurate information can lead to serious problems, including financial losses or safety risk. Writer must carefully verify facts, numbers and sources, including them in document, so that accuracy include correct grammar, spelling and your good pronunciation, punctuation, which contribute to the credibility of the document. Now, the fourth element, which is also essential for a good writing skill, is organization. You must know how to organize your data. Well organized writing helps readers understand information easily. Technical and business documentations usually follow a logical structure that guides reader through the information step by step. A typical structure includes introduction, your main body, conclusion and or recommendation. Headings, subheadings, bullet points and numbered list can also help organize the information and make the document easier to understand and read. For example, a technical report may include sections such as introduction, methodology, results and ultimately you can also write discussion and conclusion points. So, all of these points are very important as clear organization helps readers locate important information quickly. Now, the fifth element that must be focused for writing skill is coherence. Coherence refers to the logical connection between ideas in the piece of writing. Sentences and paragraphs should follow smoothly from one idea to another. Writers can improve coherence by using linking words such as therefore, however, furthermore and in addition. These words, or you can also use consequently. These words are transitions. They help readers follow the writer's reasoning and understand how ideas are related. For example, Sales increased in the first quarter, however, production costs also rose significantly. The linking words, however, shows relationship between the two ideas. Now, we have discussed 5 important points of the elements of writing skills. Now, let's move towards the 6th one, which is audience awareness. Effective writing always consider their audience. Technical and business documents may be read by different groups of people such as managers, engineers, clients, or the general public. The writer must adapt the language, tone, and the level of detail according to the audience knowledge and need. For example, a report written for experts may include technical terminology. A document written for clients may require simpler explanation. Understanding the audience ensures the message is appropriate and effective. Moving towards the 7th point, your tone and professional style. The tone of technical business writing should be professional, objective, and respectful. Writers should avoid emotional language, slang, or overly informal expressions. Professional tone is especially important in emails, reports, and official documents. Polite and neutral language helps maintain good relationships and reflects your professionalism. For example, instead of writing, your team made a lot of mistakes in the report. A more professional tone would be, several sections of the report require revisions. This approach communicates the message without sounding offensive. So, in this way, you can write or request to improve the message without being offensive. Now, the 8th point is correct grammar and mechanics. Grammar, punctuation, and spellings are essential elements of good writing. Errors in grammar can change the meaning of sentence and reduce the credibility of the writer. For example, let's eat team and let's eat team, of course, without the comma, the punctuation completely changes the meaning. Therefore, writers should always review and edit their documents before submitting them. So, now today in this lecture we have discussed the importance of writing skills as it plays a vital role in technical and business communication. Clear, effective writing allows professionals to share good information, documents activities, and support decision making. And it also helps you to maintain a professional image. For this, I have discussed the importance of writing skills, elements of writing skills, what are the main components of writing skills, how you can write a good document, and it will help you to write a good, concise, clear document. So, that was all for today. Hope to see you next time.